what's happening with this VRod behind us? Is that one of yours?
So that one there, yeah, we built that one up already, and now we've just got a new front guard. You see the handlebars on it. He's worn the rear tyre out already. I think you can see the rear tyre.
So customers already bought this?
Yeah. Well, we've already built this one before and had the frame painted and everything. So we did all that. And now it's just coming in for more bits and pieces, different front mud guard and different bars.
Right. So in the first place, did the customer come to you with the bike and go, this is what I want?
Yeah. So they came in with the box stock one of these, and this is what we came up with for him.
Yeah.
You know, he absolutely loves it. It's got all the bits and pieces, the big 26-inch front wheel and all blacked out, the airbag suspension and trick discs we've made ourselves, so they're cool.
Nice.
Yeah.
Is that the colour it was, or did you get it painted? Or?
No, so it's just black. It's just, it looks like that black one in the front there, that box stock one.
Because it's a stunning bike.
Yeah, we pulled it all apart, had all this painted, all the engine was painted and everything too.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. Compared to like the low rider rest of twin cam, they still stand a hell of a lot different. But it'd make a huge difference putting the cam in there. You start them up and people say straight away, oh, what did you do to my exhaust? Well, no, nothing. It's just opening and closing when it's supposed to.
Yeah. Has Wooding got one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Oh, Wooding.
What's first on that?
It's pretty good, I mean,
So I can pull the shaft out, and then lock that hole up. Give me a ring whenever you can bring the bike down, drop it off, and I'll get it sorted out.
Yeah, alright.
Just let us not everywhere and not forever.
Just let that thing go, mate, and then just give me this there. Yeah.
And what do you want?
I'll plug out.
Are you just putting this one back together, Al?
Yeah, mate, so this is a chrome engine, kit of this bad boy.
Right.
Replace all the alloy bits and pieces with the chrome covers, like the rocker boxes, the primer cover, the gear cover, cam cover, bit of bling bling.
Nice.
Give it an early Christmas present.
So how long does it take you to do that to a bike and get it back out?
Probably the whole kit, like half a day, I guess.
Yeah, right. Got that? Half a day, Aaron?
Yeah.
You got a bit of work to do on this one, mate?
Yeah, we do. So this is another one, that VRod just out here.
Right.
The motor's off going and getting painted and all the bodywork, it's a black and gold bodywork out there.
Right.
We'll bring the bike up here in a set.
Yeah. Matt's bike, similar thing, he's just bought the bike to you?
Yeah,
same
same thing, man. That was a box stock, matte black bike, and it's ended up looking like that. Well, same thing, like all the bodywork. Had the frame and the engine painted, the big front wheel and the rake, triple trees, everything in it to give the front wheel clearance. You need to push the front wheel, push the forks further away to get the big wheel in there. He's got different suspension on his as well.
So you've put a few VRods together now?
We have now, yeah. I reckon we've probably done. Well, at the moment we've got 2 others that are off getting the frames painted. Yeah. I think that'll be about 8 or 9 of them that we've done now.
Right.
Wow.